How to find Roblox server regions. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device and log into your account. After you've logged into your account, open a new tab and search BT Roblox and click on Add to Chrome. Press on Add Extension in here. After you've clicked on Add Extension, extension will be added. Now go back to your Roblox page, reload the page and click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, click on BTR settings at the top. After you click on BTR settings, scroll down in here and you'll find advanced. After you see advanced, click on advanced. After you've clicked on advanced, simply scroll down in here and click on server region. Then click on region here. After you've clicked on region in here, you can go back, click on any of the games and scroll down in any of the games. Here you will find the servers. And this is how to find Roblox server regions. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.